Before you spend your money on the Glacier Breeze Portable AC, you may want to watch this review because the marketing behind this product raises several important questions. Glacier Breeze Portable AC is advertised as a portable air conditioner that can cool a room within minutes, reduce electricity costs, and provide up to 10 hours of cordless cooling, making it sound like a convenient alternative to a traditional AC. However, when the available product information, specifications, and online listings are examined more closely, many of these claims appear to be more ambitious than the evidence supporting them. The device appears to function as a compact evaporative air cooler rather than a true refrigerant-based air conditioner, meaning its cooling performance depends heavily on the surrounding environment and is generally limited to the area directly in front of the unit instead of an entire room. The ice water feature may provide a temporary sensation of cooler airflow, but it should not be confused with the cooling technology used in a real air conditioner. Another point worth considering is the advertised battery life and cooling duration, as these claims are difficult to verify independently. In addition, some promotional material includes customer testimonials, ratings, and images that cannot be easily confirmed, while certain marketing content appears overly polished or AI-generated. The product is also promoted using countdown timers, large discounts, and limited stock messages that are commonly seen in aggressive online advertising. Similar-looking devices are widely available on wholesale marketplaces such as Alibaba, Temu, and AliExpress for significantly lower prices and are often sold under different brand names with nearly identical designs. This does not automatically mean Glacier Breeze Portable AC is a scam, but it does suggest buyers should carefully compare features, pricing, and realistic expectations before ordering. If you're looking for a device to cool an entire room like a traditional air conditioner, you should research carefully, but if you simply want a small personal cooling fan, understanding what this product can realistically deliver will help you make a better informed buying decision.